In this video, we will review Monzo Bank Investment Account. Monzo Bank Investment Account offers a casual, user-friendly platform designed for beginners and intermediate investors seeking a simple, digital-first approach to managing their investment. Through its integration with the Monzo app, users can easily track their spending and investments all in one place, making it very convenient for those who want a seamless financial experience. The account provider access to a variety of investment options, including shares, stocks, and ETFs, all with low fees and focus on the ease of use. Monzo offers a ready-made investment portfolio based on your different risk profiles, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer a more hands-off approach to investing. However, the platform's investment research and educational resources are somewhat basic, meaning the more advanced and intermediate investors might be lacking in the advanced tools such as research. Although personalised finance advice is limited, for those who are looking for tailored guidance, might need to seek external resources. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.